Hello, my name is Jose Javier Gamboa Suarez. I am a guard of security. I am from Pamplona, norte de Santander, Colombia. I live in Pamplona. I am 26 years old. My hobbies are reading a bike and to reading. I live with my sister. I am studying a degree in child pedagogy. My favorite food is pasta with meat. My favorite TV show is The Challenge and my favorite sport are soccer and cycling. My daily routines is I wake up around 5 a.m. I get up at 5, 5 a.m. Brush my teeth, take a shower and get dressed. After that, I have a breakfast, ride motorcycle to work. I start work at 6 a.m. I prepare the document and I do report with central on my company at 12:30 p.m. I have lunch. After lunch, I take a moment of rest and check my email and social networks. My work shift is 12 hours. I finish work at 6 p.m. After work, I go home and rest moment. Then at 7 p.m. I advance in the activities of the UNAD. At 8:30 p.m. I have dinner and watch TV. Then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. On weekends, when I do no work, I ride a bike and share it with my friends and my girlfriend. Thank you very much.